Just hold the gas. Yes. Very good. And the downshift. Hi guys, this is REVIT with Roland, and today I'm gonna install a quick shifter on my Honda Africa Twin. There's a lot of sun in my eyes, but okay. I didn't bought the original quick shifter from Africa Twin because that one was 700 euros here in the Netherlands. And so I bought this one from Cordona, which was 350 euros. And they claim that it's even better than the original from Honda. I'm not a mechanic at all, so let's see if I can install this one. I'm gonna do it inside, and first let's take a look what's in the box. Okay, this is the box, and let's open it. So, we got a little manual, we got the quick shifter, and stickers. Nice. I'm gonna do this step by step to make it a little bit easy. So let me measure that one, write that down. It will connect to this point. So I'm gonna measure it from this point to, you cannot see it of course, that point there. Alright, so wrote it down, that's 8.7 centimeters. Alright, good. This one needs to be the same. Well, this is the manual. I need to remove the upper and down. And there is in the back a plug, but there is my heat crash bar system also, so it's gonna be tight. I need to disconnect the negative cable from the battery before installing. And here they say, find the service plug, and I must wire it so there's a loop. And Honda also said it, but they come with a special plug. Of course, I don't have it. All right, let's first take off the cover of the battery, which is a crime by the Africa Twin. This is the battery cover, and under here is the battery. Let me remove this one. All right. And so here you see the minus. There's a lot of things on it, you see, and that's basically a crime to put on, but yeah. There we go. Disconnect. Okay, after some search, this is the DLC connector, and I need to shortcut it with a wire or a paper clip. I'm gonna try it with a paper clip. So according to the picture, you see this little thing here, which I see here. So that means I have this little piece of metal from the paper clip. I'm gonna stick it in those two holes. Let me do this. Voila. Nice. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but this thing there, yeah, it's finally loose. So this thing needs to be taken off. But we're like 30 minutes later. My God, I'm exhausted. This one, if you can see it, probably not, but there's a hole in that screw pointing to the space. First one. Oh. Yes. Right. Oh, that was very easy. I just unscrew this one and this one, put in a new one. That's all. Yep. After some adjusting, it's now the same length. The screws are still loose, so I'm gonna tighten them, which is very confusing because all the screws are going the opposite direction. I'm gonna put it back on the bike and tighten it. It's connected, but I don't know, it's not very tight, and I can still easy with my hand turn it, and all the screws are tightened. The next step is to connect this connector to the horrible thing there. As you might understand, I cannot film it and do it at the same time. Then I do a little bit cable management, and then I should program the Africa Twin, and then she all should work. Still having doubts about this connection, but anyway. All right, let's see if I can connect it. Well, you cannot see it, but it's back in place. Jesus Christ, what a job. Honda says you have to press select a mode for a few seconds. Now it says quick shifter off. And now I say on. Initialize, that's good, I say yeah. And then it says start engine. Okay. I can also select the quick shifter modus. Let me check. Hold on, let me click a few times. There you see up 2. And 2 is a, you can choose for 1 to 3. 3 is you have to press harder, and 1 is you have to press lighter, and 2 is in the middle. And then you get up and down. I'm gonna put everything back in order and do it cable management, etc. And then I'm gonna do a test ride. Oh, stop the video. Wait, I've got a message for you you will really love. What if I tell you that you can win $500 or euros for just subscribing to my channel? Yeah, you got that right, for just subscribing to my channel. Listen, this is what you need to do. Hit subscribe, of course, if you did not already. And then you head over to my website, therightwithroland.com, where you fill in this little form. Also do this when you are already subscribed to my channel, because every subscriber can win, the old ones, then the new ones. On the website you also find some additional information about this contest. So head over to therightwithroland.com, yeah, but after this video, okay? And please don't subscribe if you don't like my channel. Back to the video. Alright, let's take it for a test ride. Let's test it out. So that was with. So this was with the clutch, and now I'm gonna do without the clutch. Just hold the gas. Yes. Very good. And the downshift with no clutch. You do this for the noise. Yeah. Works perfectly. You got on the Africa Twin settings for 1 to 3. 1 is the lightest, 3 is the hardest. I took number 2, the average, and it seems to do fine. So I can upshift easily. Also in low rest like here. And now I want to see if I can use this from 1 to 2. Because most gear shifters I tried, they work fine after the second gear, but not so good in the first gear. So let me see, from first to 2. Yeah, worked. Yeah, it worked fine. No problem whatsoever. I can downshift easy. Cool. Go from 1 to 2 again, without a clutch. But yeah, it works good. The quick shifter shifts easy, up and down. I can go from 1 to 2, but I prefer not to, because you also have this neutral gear in between, and if you hit that one or it sticks to that one, it's always a nice surprise. So, but yeah, it shifts good, it's fast, and feels kind of smooth. Yeah, what can I say about it? It's working, and it costs like 350 euros instead of 700. You don't have to do anything, not with a computer, just plug and play. Basically, that's what it is. So, would I recommend this? Yeah, I do. It's good. Leave a nice comment or give the video a like if it was helpful. And I'll see you all next week in the next video. For now, ride safe.